stay tuned to see how I turn these old thrifted Santa Claus flats into these glammed, pearl embellished, jeweled flats. First, you'll need a needle, thread, some pearls, as well as some scissors. I had an old shirt or an old skirt. This is from an old skirt. It's made out of cotton to cover up the Santa Claus off the flats. If your shoes doesn't have any prior design, you can skip this. But I make sure I cut in 2 pieces so that way it'll cover over the design of the Santa Claus. I tried before to use a seam ripper, but it just was too hard to take it apart. Once you've gotten the material, you cut it into the shape of the front of your shoe. The front of my shoe is more of a triangular shape, so I cut the 2 pieces that's going to cover both of my shoes into more of a triangular shape, and then I went ahead and sewed it down. Time to add the pearls. You grab your needle and thread and you push it under the top flap of the loafer or shoe. Keep the needle through and poke your bead through. Pull the needle and thread and then push it right back in through the shoe down under, and you keep doing this weaving in and out pattern until you get the desired design you'd like. I've added big pearls, small pearls to give it some texture. I didn't want the shoe to be too busy or too flashy, but just very cute and dainty with some embellishments that I can wear out casually or dressed up. So here you can see that I added smaller beads on above the larger beads, and then I went around with smaller beads across the cloth material that I added, and then added some embellishments as well. And these jewels are from some broken earrings. You can use, the pearls are from a broken necklace and the jewels are from broken earrings. I never throw broken jewelry away. You never know when you're going to use it. And there you have it, my embellished jewel loafers. These retail from $40 and up, and you get some thrifted flats and some jewels, and less than $10 you have embellished shoes. This project was fun. It was easy. I did this while I was watching television. Again, if you have old jewelry, bracelets, necklace, earrings, whatever, you can use it, recycle. Old flats I found at the thrift store for under $2. You can't beat it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.